Hello everybody. In this video we will learn how to draw equipments in E3D. So first of all, this is the E3D screen. So we have to go here and select equipments, and this is equipments now. And you see here home, view, tools, manage, design, general, and equipments. We have to click on equipments, and for in E3D for creating any equipments or piping, we have to create first zones and sites. If you are working in in a project, then these sites and zones are already created by the admin. Let's say how to create zones. So we have to click from where you want to create a zone. Let's say select this one. And then you have to go here, general, and click on site. As you can see, the site is created there. You have to type in name there. Let's say in E3D there should be no space. Otherwise, it will not accept the names. Let's say I give a space and let's say type process. When I get, it will not select. So there should be no space. So what I will do here, I give underscore here, comment process, and give the name. You see, it's separate now. And now we have to create John. Again, you give the name here. You can select the perp also because perp is not here. He is EQ, right? Select the purpose. I select documents. Then it is okay. Now these two things are created. Now we have to start creating equipments. For creating equipments, we have to go here, click here, and then this is the in E3D equipment creating box. I click here. You see here now. These direct box open. So here I have to give name, documents. I give you name this one. And now this name is created. Now we have to create a sub equipments because this is equipments. Under this equipments we have equipment body, equipment legs, equipment nozzles, equipment COG. So now we have to click here and type sub equipments. Now we give a name here, separator body. Okay. So now what we done here? First we create equipment site, then we create a zone, then we create a equipment name, then sub equipment name. So this is a hierarchy we have to follow these things. Now you can see here, here's the primitives. Let's say we want to create a separator, horizontal separator. For example, like this, we are going to create now. So for this, we need a cylinder here. So we have to go to sub level here, and then create on cylinder, and you have to give start a point where you can want to place. Let's say this is easy point. I click here. Okay, now it's starting diameter of the separator. Let's say I give 2.5 meter. Now it's asking height. In height I give 5 meter. So this cylinder is created now. So for it is sitting on this vessel, we have to move. So we have to move these comments towards. You can change the UCS here, south side. So we want to move. You have type command here by south, S for south, 2 meter with respect to word. And now we have to create a dish. Click here. You can type your dish. So we are not in the hierarchy. So we have to click here, sub comments. Then now we have to create a dish. We want to select this one, diameter to 5 and height we give 750. So dish is created, and you can see here because we select the center, we have to press function key plus F11. It will come in the wireframe modeling. You see here a dish is created here. So you can first measure. This is the measuring distance, and here you have to click this option, graphics. This one, we select this one, and this one. The distance is 2.5 meter. So we have to move. Again, you press F11, so it will be a solid modeling. Same way, we have to create new dish. Now, here we have two options here. You can either mirror this dish or create new one. So we will do by both for your understanding. So we click here equipments, and then we here dish. And then here is 2.5. Then height is 750. Dish is created. This bottom one. This is by down 2.5 meter. See, dish is created, but it is an opposite side. So we have to mirror this one. So for that, you have to go to uh, home here, and again we will press F11. Is copy mirror. You have to select which you want to mirror. This one, yeah, dish, and you have to click here C, and here upon we have to click here only mirror only. We don't want to get copy. And click on cursor and select design point, and we click here, and we will select the design point. When this rectangle will come, it means you properly select the P point. So you see arrow is down, so it means it is going downward. Simply click apply. Again press F11. It is solid now. Now here we created two things, right? We create new dish both, but you simply click here, then right click and delete. We will delete this dish. Now we will create this one mirror one here. This one. We select the cylinder. Sorry, this dish. Again you put on C, current element. Here we will click a mirror copy. Then now we will select not a P point, now element. What is the element? This cylinder, and you have to put down. We want downside because right now the U is there. Let's say F11. You will see for see this is up. We don't want up. We don't want to downside. So if you type here D, then enter, the cursor will be moved downwards. Now apply, then yes, then again function key plus F11 for solid. So we created a cylinder and dish. So this is the body. So we don't want in vertical direction, we want to horizontal. Then you have to go here, rotate, then click on advance. So we will rotate this one to horizontal towards south side. So here C and click a element. We select this one. So here, which side you want to rotate? I want to rotate south side. From which direction? You see this is best. This is best. So we will click here west. We will apply. You clearly see our vessel is rotated to the south side. What we want. Now we want to lower it down. You cancel this one, and this is the measuring a distance. This is element to element. From this center line to this center line, we want to make the same center line. The distance is 2.5 meter down. So we will by D 2.5 meter. Now we want up a bit. You can move anyway. Let's say I want to move this vessel towards east side. You see this is east. Always follow these arrows. And which side you want. I want to move it east side. Type here by east 500. So it's moved to east side. Now we have to create new subway for saddle. You can create subway sub equipments by clicking here equipments and you click sub equipments. Okay. So there is other way you can type it by command also. You write here new subway. See it's created there. And you want to give a name here, right click, rename, and I want to give name separator shuttle. For creating shuttle, we need a rectangular torus. You click on this here, then this is a rectangular torus. We will create a reinforced pad like this. We click here. Let's say I clicked here. And here, how much degree you want? I want 180 degree. And specify the width or and I height give 300. Now you see here we have to click Q attributes You see here by creating a torus, rectangular torus, we have to fill these two radius. R inside radius, R inside radius, and R outside radius. So we will click on R inside radius. What is R inside radius? R inside means this OD of this shell. So the OD is how we check here. If you click here, okay, click on cylinder and type here. If you forget, Q dia. So dia is 2.5 meter. So what is the radius R inside then? R inside is 1250. You click here R outside. How much thick you want the radius? So let's say I want 1270. So this is created now. This is now we have to rotate this one. Same way what we did previously. Go to home, click here, rotate advance, and put cursor on current elements. Click here, and then select elements here, and which side you want. You have to type it here, west. Sorry. So now we will move this one towards north side. Now you can do modification whatever you want here. You simply click Artorus and click Q attributes. Let's say I want the width, height of this one 500. Simply change this one to 500 and enter. And you want radius. You don't want 180. You want 160. The radius is 160. But in here, it is not similar. You have to rotate the torus. Again, advance. See here, and then select element this one. And now you have to click on south because I want to south. And my radius should be a 5. It is 5 because sorry 10 because previously 180. Now we give 160. So we have to rotate minus 10 degree and then apply. We went opposite side. Something happened here. What we have to do here? We have to select this torus. We set a C. And then we select a design point. This one. And we want to rotate east. We have to click here south. something wrong. It should be a 90 degree. You measure here. Click on P point this one. We have to rotate this one. So we will select C here. You see this is down by 10 degree, yeah. So then we will select this one. We will, this is U and you see here now, it is a parallel. So we will cancel this one now. We will create a box. If you want to create a box, you go to comments and this is the box. So this is the box. Keyword rewards. So we want X length is 500. Y length is also 25 and Z length. You can do one thing here. One way you can rotate the box. Go to home, advanced, see, design point. I select this design point, click 90. So this is the one way we can rotate this one. The another one is, let's say I will go back. Here you can change, here. Let's say now my X length is 2.5 meter and Y length is 500. So no need to read the primitives. Yeah. So in this two way, you can do whatever you want. So again, we will move it down a distance. We'll measure first. Go to graphics. This is the point and top of this one. This is 220. We move it down. So we want to make it in the center. This is for element to element. This one to this one. It is 272. Type here by north. Now we will reduce the height of this box. You click QZ length, it is 2.5 meter. Now we will type Z length is 2 meter and we will down to 50 to match the bottom. And QY length. So Y length I want 400 for better understanding. Now we will create a base plate for this one. You do simply a copy, type new, copy, previous. Sorry, we didn't put box. Okay, the box is copied now. So we will change the dimension. We want by length 800 and we want only height is 20 mm, no 30 mm a thick plate. Z length is 30, and again we will match BOP. You select here this one. It is 985. We will come down. You have to always put with respect to word, otherwise it will get some problem. Yeah, now it moving down. So we want height of 6 and X length is 26. So we create the shadow of this one. Now very quickly we will move this towards, simply you make uh, here new author copy previous by north. Let's say one is 2 meter. 2 meters is very small. So we will not go by copy. We will do another easy things. Let's we want to delete this one. Simply right here, delete. The easy way is click on author, is copy mirror, put C, go to cursor, select element, and we want towards north side is okay. A mirror copy. It is created. Same way, click on box, CE, apply. Same way on this box, CE, apply. So very quickly we made two shaders. Now we will create new subway for nozzles. You type here new subway. We will rename this one separator nozzle. Apply. For nozzle, we have to go to documents and click here on nozzle box. So the nozzle box is created here. And this is nozzle modification. We have to go ahead nozzle. Now you give first, let's say M1 manhole, and we select ANSI, and you have to select a nozzle as per your pipe rating. It is 2500, 9000, 600, 400. So which one is yours? So I will select here a 600, and I will select a 600 for manway. I will give height 900, create nozzle. So we see press F11, the nozzle is created. Okay, so you can read this nozzle also, but we have one easy point. By command, you can type here uh, connect IDP and the rate to IDP and the rate. So first we will select this where you want to connect, and this one here. You see here, and then window 11. So this nozzle is created. My south 250. So our one nozzle is created here. And same way we want M2 on other side. Very quickly we go to home, copy, select C element, and we want towards north side. North side is already there. Apply, entertain. So we get another menu on that side. So we want to create another from the top. Now mm, by command new nozzle, copy, previous. So we already created the nozzle here. Now we will rotate this one nozzle. See, then select element this one, west, south here. We will go to connect IDP to IDP. So it is on the center. See here, so we type here rotate by 90 about west. We will measure here by up 250 plus 200. Now we change the diameter of this and go to equipment, and here you have to nozzle modify. Yeah. So we want this nozzle is only a 10 inch. So this nozzle changed to 10 inch now. Same way you want new one, then new nozzle, copy, previous by south, a meter, a meter. Now we want to change this nozzle size to 4 inch. We will select here 100, and this nozzle you have this is 6 inch. In this way we create a number of types of nozzles. So again we want to move these equipments by south. So in this way, we create a equipments in E3D for easy understanding. If you have any comments, please let me know. Thanks.